If you've been struggling with leg weakness, balance problems, or that feeling of my legs can't carry me anymore, especially after the age of 60, please don't ignore it. Because this could be caused by something so simple, yet so dangerously overlooked. A hidden vitamin deficiency. Yes, you heard right. This hidden vitamin deficiency causes leg weakness after 60. And in this video, I'll show you how to fix it fast. Stay with me. Your legs, your independence, and even your safety could depend on what you're about to hear. Before we go on, please tap the like button if this topic matters to you or a loved one, and if you care about staying healthy and mobile as you age. Please subscribe and turn on the bell. This channel is where seniors and caregivers come to get empowered naturally. Now, let's uncover what your body has been trying to tell you. Let's start with the facts. Vitamin B12 deficiency is one of the most underdiagnosed conditions in older adults, especially after 60. Why? Because the symptoms look like aging, fatigue, numbness or tingling in the legs, weak muscles, trouble walking or keeping balance, even memory loss and brain fog. But this isn't just getting old, it's your nerves screaming for help. If you are over 50 and you experience even one of this, it's worth asking your doctor for a B12 blood test. Specifically, check serum B12 and methylmalonic acid levels. B12 is essential for nerve earth and red blood cell production. Without it, the communication between your brain and your legs break down. So why does this vitamin deficiency hit so hard after the age of 60? It's not just aging, it's biology. As we grow older, the inner lining of the stomach begins to produce less hydrochloric acid, and that acid is essential for absorbing vitamin B12 from food. Now, here's the shocking part. Even if you are eating B12 rich foods like eggs, chicken, or red meat, your body might not be absorbing any of it, especially if you have a condition called atrophic gastritis, which becomes increasingly common with age. But it doesn't stop there. If you are taking any of these medications, you may be at double the risk of deficiency. Protein pump inhibitors like omeprazole for acid reflux, metformin for diabetes, certain blood pressure meds. These drugs interfere with your ability to absorb B12 by either reducing stomach acid or altering the gut lining. And most people, even doctors, rarely check B12 levels until it's too late. That's why this silent deficiency creeps up with symptoms like legs that feel heavy or numb, tingling in the feet, feeling off balance or dizzy, muscle cramping at night. And it's easy to blame these signs on age or arthritis. But behind them, your nerves could be starving for B12. Now, for the part that gives hope. You can fix this naturally and fast. First, don't just take any B12 supplement. Look for methylcobalamin, the methylated form of vitamin B12. This version is more easily absorbed and readily used by your brain and nervous system, even if your stomach acid is low. Here's what to do. Take 1000 mcg of methylcobalamin daily under your tongue. Sublingual tablets work faster. For severe deficiency, talk to your doctor about B12 injections, especially if you have nerve symptoms like leg, tingling, or balance issues. And don't forget the power of food. Add B12 rich, easy to absorb foods like beef liver, which is the most concentrated natural source. Sardines is great for both B12 and omega 3s. Fortified plant milks and cereals. Nutritional yeast. This is a great vegan friendly sauce that even tastes cheesy. People often report feeling more energized, sleeping better, and even regaining steadiness after just a few weeks of consistent intake. The best part, you are not just supporting your legs, you are feeding your brain, protecting your heart, and restoring your independence. Leg weakness might seem like a small thing until it causes a fall. After 60, a single fall can change everything. Hospital visits, surgeries, long recovery. Don't let a simple vitamin deficiency take away your freedom or mobility. With the right nutrition and a little awareness, you can stay strong, steady, and independent. That's what we all want. Now that you know the truth, this hidden vitamin deficiency causes leg weakness after 60. And yes, you can fix it fast. Don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone you love. Like the video, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've ever experienced weak legs, numbness, or balance issues. I'm going to be going through the comments and I would love to support you. Thank you so much for watching to this time. Always remember that green health cares, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.